Good morning, everyone. This is next day, and yesterday I haven't make a time of evening blog. So yeah, it's the next morning, and yesterday I read only. First, I show you like what I read yesterday. You remember, like yesterday I started this book, so it's of chapter one, Kings of Shadows. So I read only here to here, like a very small bunch, like very small, only one paragraph. But I read this, I think 5 or 6 time, and you got very surprised. So like I have proper list. Actually I am researching words only on chat gpt, not google anymore. So I know like this is very easy word, uh, fierce, than these bettered, prudently. These are the words which I found new for me, so I learn that word. Okay, so you can see like there are only how many lines, I think 10 to 50 line only, and I got a struggle, like I found lot of new word in starting of the chapter. So yeah, this is the beauty, or this is the new thing for reading books. You always find new words, you know and you always find to new words, and do practice on that. But not possible to learn all the words, you know it's not possible to learn all the word and remember these all the words, because it's very difficult. But definitely we can learn only one or two word from that. Let's say I love this word called astonishment. It means is a surprise, and the you know achamba jaisa kuch. And yeah, maybe I can pick this one word, and this is the scarf, or this is the kind of cloth which I actually I was facing to pronounce it word, cafes ऐसे का कुछ था. So yeah, and on the very beginning word, so I read it like very wrong, like I read it like fires करके मैं इसको कल पढ़ रहा था, but yeah, it's properly pronounced is fierce. So yeah, I know like I make these kind of silly mistakes and small small mistakes. So that's why I am here. Let's switch on the camera first. That's why I am here to sharing my journey. Like if you are on the same stage and if you are making mistakes, and guys, definitely we can learn. So I don't know how much I will be success, but definitely if we try, so one day we will able to read properly, speak properly, write properly, and that's I think we want. I will share, like I have lot of things to share with you, like my corporate life, my personal life. So this is a journey, maybe like if by god grace, so maybe I will make at least एक साल तक 365 वीडियोस, और पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे. बस I just start learning and recording my journey. So I think that's it for today. मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में. सो लाइक आई शो यू वेरी स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग. सो इट्स नॉट अ लाइक नॉर्मल ब्लॉग कि मैं ये खा रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स ओनली माई लर्निंग जर्नी. सो आई ट्राई टू शो यू दैट ओनली, एंड इफ़ यू इंस्पायर, सो मे बी यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट योर जर्नी. और ये जर्नी बहुत लंबी है जो करनी पड़ेगी. लाइक देर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट फॉर दैट. You have to be focused, you have to be consistent throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year. Then we are able to speak something, and धीरे धीरे एक एक स्टेप करके ही हम लोग speak well. Because guys, I'm telling you, like we have a very tough competition in the market. If you are 30 plus or 35 plus, now the youngsters speak fluent english, and you are on senior post and your junior speaks well, they can understand well. So it's danger sign for us who are like 40s, 35, maybe 50s. Or I know we can do it, because यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं तो कुछ करके ही पहुँचे हैं, तो आगे भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो होप फॉर द बेस्ट, एंड बाय गॉड गेस जस्ट वी हैव टू डू आवर वर्क विच इज़ learning, learning, learning. Practice, practice, practice. ओके बाय बाय, बहुत ज्ञान हो गया। बाय।